Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the front end and the back end demo. Okay, so let's look at the front end. Go to ordercinch.com. This is a live site. Both of the sites that I'll show you are live, so if you are watching, please don't go in here and make orders at these restaurants because they will make the food and no one will come pick them up, unless, of course, you're in the local area. Okay, so we have the OrderCinch website here. As you can see, completely customizable. We've got featured restaurants here as well. You got your graphics down here. If they already own a food business, hey, they can click here to sign up. They can send you information about them. Great way to word of mouth to get around and local businesses to sign up as well who visit the site. But the basic, very straightforward. They enter in their address or zip code. Let's go ahead and enter in a zip code here and hit find. And then, of course, sorted by distance, you've got the local businesses. So very similar to how Grubhub works as well. But this is, of course, your local Grubhub, and obviously works a lot better, more robust, and merchants are not having to pay those high percentages. You'll see Google Maps here by the distance of where we're at. Everything from categories to service, customizable. They can filter for delivery, takeout, in store for each one of these restaurants. So let's go ahead and see the menu and order. So we got the menu here, everything listed, appetizers, the dinner menus here as well. You can add pictures as well. This one doesn't have pictures, it looks like, but you can add pictures. If the restaurant wants to add their own pictures for each one of their items, they can do that as well in their merchant panel. They get their own login and password from you, so it's a great way for them to manage their own stuff. You don't have to do it. And of course, logo information, their hours, all listed here. And let's go ahead and order something. So let's order this basket of fries. Again, a lot of stuff customizable here. You can add the type of fries. So if this is wings, you can add sauces. So here's some sauces here as well. So let's get the waffle fries with the cheese sauce. No special instructions, but they can do that if they want. And we'll just have one for quantity. Add that in. And of course, we can select whether we want delivery or pickup. In their merchant panel, they can select if they want to charge for delivery. If they want to charge a minimum per order, they can do that as well. So let's just say that we'll pick it up. And this business is probably a cash run business, so they don't have credit card processing, but you'd have to fill in your credit card information here as well. They fill in their, just put all that in there. Again, very intuitive. And then we'll pick up as soon as possible. Place the order. That goes directly to the restaurant. Confirmation is also emailed to the customer so they can see how many minutes it'll take if the restaurant included that information. But that'll all be there in confirmation email. Let them know they got that as well. Of course, we have this confirmation message letting them know. So again, very easy to use, very intuitive to use. You can add links up here as well if you have other businesses that you offer services to, things like that. As you can see, this one also uses our orders in web apps, so they've included that information here. So all that stuff is here. Okay, so let's take a look at the orders in web apps. So this is the local search. We're going to get into the web apps and kind of how that looks. I'm going to take you to a live example of a restaurant that's actually using it. So again, please do not make an order here. We have demos on our demo site for you to play around with, but these are actual restaurant sites. Oh, turn that music down that they have there. So this is a restaurant, I believe, for one of our licensees, and I believe they're located in Illinois, Falafel and Grill. So simple. Order Now button is there. Clicked on the Order Now button. That takes me to the menu. Menu pops up, again, from their restaurant. And, I want to mention also, they can insert this menu. They haven't for this example, but they can insert their menu directly inside their web page. They decided just to link directly to our menu instead, or our menu server instead. But either way, they can do that. View details. Oh, you got to enter in your address. Let me enter in to make sure they have delivery zone set. So that's just a security measure for them to make sure someone like us who doesn't live in Illinois is not trying to order something. So anyways, there we have, looks like a falafel 6-piece there, special instructions, of course, description for that item in this particular example. And then Looks like they also have beverages, desserts, all that type of stuff. They've included all that as well. That looks good. And again, same type of thing for that as well. Going through the cart, entering their credit card information, that money is instantly deposited to their account. We use Stripe and PayPal credit card processing, so it'd be exactly the same process if someone walked into their restaurant, swiped their card, exact same process, same percentage charged to them off the top. So again, all turnkey, nothing you have to worry about there. And then, of course, let's go ahead and go into the admin panel. Let's go into the admin panel of this. Both of the admin panels are very similar, so I'm going to walk you through the orders in admin panel. But hopefully you get the idea of those differences, and they're great complementary platforms for each other. Obviously you've got the local search for businesses to be a part of something you're driving traffic to, something that has the ability to serve a lot of local folks and see the options that are out there. And then you've got the orders and web apps where you're directly servicing the restaurant's website and Facebook page. They may not want to be a part of the local search, or maybe they want to be a part of both. So they're awesome platforms that are very complementary of each other. Okay, so this is the admin panel. All your businesses will be listed here. For your site. You always have access to them. You can give them login and passwords, but you'll always be able to access their stuff. So let's go ahead and log into one of their merchant panels. And as you can see, we've got some quick icons here. They can click these if they just want to go manage their menu or configure their business, but we'll just go step by step here and kind of walk through. So what I just clicked on is the orders dashboard. So this is one of the ways they can receive orders, one of multiple ways. The orders dashboard, they can have up on their iPad, they can have up on their laptop, whatever, even from their phone, they can have this orders dashboard going. And this has all the orders coming in real time, tells them exactly the date and time when it came in. They can clear order when they've accepted. There's an annoying sound that you'll hear in the background that keeps playing until the order is accepted. So this is a great way of having a paper-free, electronic way, real-time of receiving orders for them. So again, this is their business panel. They can just have that up and going in their iPad, their tablet, whatever it may be, their phone. Configuration for their business, everything from their logo, their about us, they can update all this stuff. Currency, we support multiple different currencies. Obviously the time zone, languages, things like that. Their address, of course, on Google Maps. And the great thing is, takeout and delivery settings, a lot of settings here. Everything from setting their order minimum, to make sure, hey, this is the minimum that they want to accept. Their delivery fee, if they want a delivery fee, delivery percentages on how much they want per percentage of a particular order, delivery minimum. We've got convenience fees, flat rates, and percentages. And then also we can request from tip from the customer. They can also tax a convenience fee. A lot of different things that they can do here to set orders. So here we got the delivery restrictions. So say they don't want to deliver past a certain amount of zip code or past a certain amount of radius from their business address, they can do that here as well. We've got the delivery hours, takeout hours, in-store hours. They can set all that stuff. Confirmation emails, they can set that here. If something, their kitchen's backed up, they can set different times for confirmation messages. Anything like that gets emailed to the customer, they can set that themselves here. So a lot of flexibility here. And of course, delivery notifications. They can accept receive orders for pickup or delivery via email. And they can put multiple emails here, separate them by commas. They can get multiple email addresses, check their phone, check their computer, whatever it may be, get orders via that. They want to do fax, they can receive fax. They want to receive text notifications, they can receive text notifications. If they want a phone call, the old regular way of receiving a phone call and getting an order notification, they can request that service and you can charge them extra for it. And I'll show you how in just a second as well. So multiple streams of revenue for you to charge from different ways of receiving orders. But of course, they always got the free options as well through email, the orders dashboard. I want to mention that a lot of our licensees are using HP ePrint. So they're getting these printers from HP that already have an email assigned to them. Really cool way of just every time an email is received from that particular email that you've put in there, an order comes out in the back office. So it's just like a fax works, but free. So menu is here, pretty self-explanatory. Want to add items? You can add items via here. Edit items, all that stuff. They can set stuff active, deactive if they want directly from here. So everything's very manageable for them here. They want to do reservations. Hey, they got OpenTable. We've got OpenTable integrated for them. They can accept reservations now. They can set up their own custom reservation form if they wanted to as well. Very easy to do. They've got multiple different settings they can do if they want to do custom reservations form, but there's always OpenTable that's got it down as well. So reservations can be done. They want to have deals. Hey, specify the deal. Half off. We'll take a flat percentage here, or flat or a percent, a minimum for the order, and a start and an end date expiration for that promotional code. You can set the promotional code or deal directly from here. And then, of course, they've got their payment integration. So again, we use Stripe, is already integrated. Stripe credit card processing, PayPal credit card processing is the other option that they want to use. Again, money gets direct deposited to them. They don't have to worry about anyone else managing their money. And all financial transactions are through those big companies that have been doing it for years. So we don't handle any financial transactions on our side. And say they don't want to use credit card processing. You got the cash only option, cash enable, disable, however they want to do it. So that's a great way for them to have that flexibility for payment methods. Got a lot of cool reporting stuff they can do. They can export all the delivery, the pickup orders, the takeout orders that they've received. They can go down to the item, export through Excel here, and they can see who ordered what, when, all that kind of statistics is all there. And of course, we got their account information. They can update that stuff here as well. So let's go back to the admin panel, which is where you control the magic. That was, of course, the businesses panel, which they see. We have delivery integrated. FYI, if you're a delivery company, you can use Bring. If you have heard of Bring, even if you haven't, Bring rocks for delivery. We just integrated that this week. So this is a really, really great way to start your own delivery company. If you want to, you can manage drivers with that, all kinds of stuff. But Bring is integrated. If you're part of a delivery company, you can use that. Online ordering website. This, you can configure all the magic here. Everything's pretty self-explanatory. Everything from your social media, your logo. Hey, you don't like the way your template looks? Let's choose the modern template. How does the modern template look? Let's have a look. That's the modern template. So again, you have the option to use the more traditional one that you saw with the order cinch, and we'll look at that. Or you can use the modern template. So you've got some options there as well. SEO, the keywords, you can do all the SEO keyword stuff. Your site does go on Google, and it does rank high because you're a local site that's doing online ordering. There's probably not many of those in your area, and you're definitely going to pop up in those first few things via Google. Use Google Analytics code as well. See how many people are coming in, coming out of your site. Just got to paste in that code when you use Google Analytics. Categories there as well for your site. Custom pages. We've got an HTML editor in there. If you want to add custom pages, feel free. You can link to external web pages as well from your site. We've got fax, SMS, notifications, call notifications. Let's go to that. The credits. So if, the credits are pretty straightforward. Every credit's basically every transaction. So if a merchant says, I really rather use fax, I'd rather, I do want to have SMS notifications or call, you can offer that. You can charge them as well. They're about 2 cents a text, so they're pretty cheap there. Again, you can charge them once you get the SMS credits. You can distribute them amongst your different businesses that want to use them. If they don't want to use them, perfectly fine. Again, there's always email. There's always the orders dashboard. There's always the HP ePrint method that they can receive orders. They don't need these methods, but they're great to have. The phone calls are really awesome because they get a phone call notification. No way they can miss an order that way. as long as they're answering the phone. So another great method, another way for you to get more revenue as well. So this is where the magic happens. How do you get paid? This is it. The invoicing area. Let's select a business that you want to invoice. You've already been connected. You can use your Stripe or PayPal account to already connect to that. So that's a great thing as well. All the money gets direct deposited to you. Select the dates of which you want to invoice. You can do a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever it may be. If there's a monthly fee, you can do that here. If you're charging for fax, SMS, call credits, put that in there as well, percentages, all that stuff. And feel free to charge setup fees. If you want to charge a setup fee, they're a first-time business that you're setting up, feel free to do that here as well. And again, everything is transparent. You can see every order a business has had, so there's absolutely nothing there. Once you're ready, the invoice is ready to go, sends directly to the restaurant. Feel free to put a message. What you can't see is that there's a Pay Now link that gets inserted directly into there. The Pay Now link will go ahead and if they enter in their credit card information, of course that money gets direct deposited to your account via that Pay Now link. So again, invoicing is very automated, very simple to use. There's absolutely no discrepancy on orders or anything like that. So very straightforward way of you to do it. We've got a resources area, everything from business cards, you want to print those out, merchant flyers, a simple contract for you, table tents to let folks know that they have online ordering. We've got the QR codes, if folks still use that. We've got QR codes as well for each business. And then, of course, we got how-to videos for you as well in there. News area, and we've got your account information area, and then of course help. We've got a support center, so feel free to send us anything in the help area, and you get a resolution really quick. Feel free to call us as well. Okay, so I think that's a pretty good overview of the admin backend, the admin panel. Very straightforward. Again, very much made for folks that are ready to really go out and sell this system, go out and really just start their business. You don't have to worry about development and all that other. We're your technical back office. That's what we're here for.